touch with all these stocks and options trading. So I think that this is something very interesting. So I further research on it, develop further from there. Perhaps I started too young because I started trading at the age of 22, 23. So maybe at that point of time, I have the intention to make fast buck kind of thing, because you hear a lot of stories that through stocks or through investment you make money faster. So maybe it's like too anxious, urgently want to make that money in a very short period of time. Luckily I didn't go into debts. But from there I realized that what I've lost in 2-3 months, right, my parents maybe have to work the entire year. So I think that this is a very big blow to myself. I have this thought at the point of time, I think that I have lost so much over here. If I leave this part, right, I give up halfway, right, that's it for me. So that is the reason why I persevere on, continue research from there, and slowly develop this skill and continue to acquire knowledge from there. So after a while, I realized that there is certain advantage in forex trading that make me focus more and concentrate more of my efforts and time into forex trading. And that is when things are more stable, then it's like more like a second nature to me. Yeah. Late 2007, I have a couple of friends went into forex trading courses. When they came out of it, they realized that it's not as nice as what was marketed in the very beginning. And they suffer losses and complaining. So at that point of time, they asked me how come I didn't attend such forex courses. I can do quite a decent income from there. So that is when they asked me to start teaching them. So this is where I started Forex Asia Academy, and from there slowly grow my local presence to Malaysia. Hopefully we will go regional in a short span of time. Okay, the reason why we came up with the strategy creation process, this trademark process, is because we realized that a lot of people are looking out for strategy. But then again, strategy will get expired because market keep changing. So I realized that we should give them a process. This process enable them to readjust or maybe to create new strategy from there. We also want to tell people that our strategy are original. We didn't copy from someone else and they say this is our own. Because we have been through this phase, initial phase of trading, right, really feel that it's a bit exciting. So people tend to neglect a lot of principles of investing and trading. That is the reason we use this shared email system, this warning letter system, right, to look into their progress. So we want to ensure that our students are not walking the journey alone. So on top of this warning letter system or this shared email system, right, what we are trying to do over here is a daily monitoring. So we know that what they are doing, what they are trading, and from there we will be able to coach them, mentor them in the long run. Okay, one of the very important things that we do over here is we advocate live trading, because we realize that if you do on demo trading, yes, you are not risking any money. Two things. First thing is when you do live trading, you accelerate your learning curve faster. Second thing is we are pretty confident of our strategy and techniques. We show them that if we walk the talk, and like let's say we are teaching 3 to 4 set of strategy, we will do live trading for each and everyone, and we will use our own live account. So we are also risking our real money to show them. And we don't, for every strategy, right, we will not do it just once. We will do it like 3 to 4 times. Because one thing is we realize that they may think that if you do it once, you may be lucky. Do it twice, what if you have 1 win, 1 loss? So we do it a couple of times to show them that this really works. Then we proceed on to the next strategy, because not a lot of educational providers in trading, right, they will advocate live trading. Without money management, without trading psychology, no strategy will be profitable in the long run. A lot of people think that the strategy is most important, but they didn't realize that when you come into talking about trading psychology, talking about money management, this is a very important factor. And those people who are able to have a better composure of themselves, right, in terms of trading psychology tends to do a lot better. When you see them make money, definitely you're very happy for them, because there are a lot of ways to make money, but then again, whether they can make it themselves independently, that is the most important thing. So if you trade yourself, you know the methodology, and you are able to repeat it again and again, that is the biggest joy. From there, you will be able to see the real progress of that trader. I'm Zhu Kun Lip, founder of Forex Asia Academy.